Welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. As you can see that there is a pattern forming in crude, which I have already explained in my previous videos, that whenever it hit its previous high, that suppose this is the first high, it went and made a new high after forming this particular swing, and then a sharp fall come, and this sharp fall is being repeated for quite some time. Okay, and once it started making a swing at that last time, it tries to move upside and made a high of around $123, and from there is a continuous downfall. Okay, and it has not touched this particular level since long, so chances can be high that if this swing sustain or if it goes above a level of $93.21, then we can see a trend towards an upside can be there, or it can go further upside. Okay, before we move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, see what you can see that since 2 days there is a continuous upside what we have seen in the crude, and there is a gap still pending. Okay, and these are the few full week we have seen it is quite volatile. Till the time it is not crossing a level of $79, we will not see that this gap can be filled. Okay, overall trend is turning to be on upside. Okay, and chances can be high if this level sustain, we can see it can move further further upside, but if it fall below a level of 79, then only we can see it can come and fill this particular gap. Okay, so suppose if the price sustain this particular level, we can see it can go towards a level of $81.70, and if that level also sustain, then we can see it will move out from this particular zone. So once it sustain above that particular zone, it can go towards a level of around $82, and from there we can see a level of 82.32. once it move up that particular zone, then we can see it can cross that particular zone and can cross a level of $82.63 and can go further upside, and a probability of touching 83.65 is there. Keep this in mind. Once it goes above a level of $82.62, chances of touching a level of around 83.65 is there after crossing a level of $83.31. Okay, this is the high of this particular zone. So once started crossing that particular zone, then we can see it can go further upside and can cross a level of around $83.79 to a level of $84, and from there it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of 85.58. Okay, suppose if the price crosses a level of 85.58, then only we can see yes, a probability of going further upside is there. Then we can see it can cross that particular zone and chances of touching $86.35 is there, and from there we can see a level of 87.47. Okay, and once it started moving upside, then we can see it can cross a level of around $89.9 and then further upside if the price sustain. Okay, and if the price sustain, I'll make another video explaining you where it can move. Okay, now look at this particular chart. This is already at moving in this particular zone high, but the next support coming at around $81.50. Suppose if this level comes towards 85.50 and goes below that particular zone, then the next support coming at around $81.18, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $80.79. Okay, so once it fall below $80.79, then a probability of crossing a level of around 79.85 is there. Keep this in mind, 79.85 is a weak support, so chances are high if this level cross downside, we can see it can cross further low, and a probability that it can move further down, and a probability of touching $79 is there. Okay, so once the price fall below 79, chances of touching a level of around $78.08 is there, and once it fall below that level, we can see a level of 77.25 to a level of $77. Once started falling below that level, then the next support coming at around 75.99 to a level of 75.69. so 75.69 is a high of that particular gap, so chances can be high if this level we can see a bounce back can come, but if that level also didn't sustain, chances of touching a level of 74.60 is there, and then further if the price didn't sustain. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.